Welcome students and welcome to the course of machine design. In the continuation of our last lecture, that is design of machine component against variable loading for finite life. Okay, we had seen the numerical of machine components subject to variable loading for infinite life, and we had seen the theoretical portion of designing of machine element for finite life. Today we will have a good numerical by which you will able to understand how the numerical on finite life will be solved for with the help of graphical method and with the help of similar triangle concept. We already discussed the similar triangle concept, that is ratios of the similar triangle or corresponding to the similar triangle will be same. Suppose in the numerator you will going to take the one side of a bigger triangle, then in the denominator you will you will use triangle with a smaller side, okay, and vice versa on the right hand side also, and left hand side, means LHS will always be equal to RHS. Okay, this is a concept of similar triangle I wish to discuss here with some diagram. Suppose it is a right triangle. Okay, A, B, C, D and E. Okay, it is right triangle, and you may see two triangle ABC and AED. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे दो ट्रायंगल दिख रहे होंगे ABC and AED. Since both are right angle triangle, so both will be similar triangle. Means you need not to prove that is this triangle is similar or not. Okay, since both are this right angle triangle and one side is common, so this will be the criteria for the similarity of triangle. Okay, now what I mean to say with the similar triangle, suppose triangle AED, suppose means AED is a bigger one and ABC is a smaller one. So with the concept of similar triangle, AE upon A means the perpendicular line of bigger triangle upon AB, that is perpendicular line of the smaller triangle, is equal to any side, take any side, but if you take numerator as for bigger triangle, you must use the denominator for the uh, small triangle means AE, that is denominator on the left hand side from the bigger triangle. So on the right hand side you have to take bigger triangle on the numerator side so that your ratio remain constant always. Okay, so take BC, sorry, ED for the bigger triangle on the numerator side, and BC on the other side. Okay, BC for the small triangle. Okay, now this ratio remain constant. Vice versa you can use, means AB upon AE is equal to BC upon ED. But the concept behind the similarity of triangle, that the triangle you are taking on numerator on the left hand side will be same on the right hand side for the numerator. Okay, now I'm going to start this question, and I wish uh, you will able to understand the concept of similar triangle that you are going to use in this question. Okay, now come to the point. I'm going to read the question for you. A rotating bar made of steel 45C8. Okay, 45C8 means the designation of carbon steel, uh, and we had discussed earlier in the classroom what 45C8 means. SUT is equal to 630 Newton per millimeter square. Ultimate stress for 45C8 steel is subjected to a completely reverse bending stress. Okay, means once positive means a tensile force and then compressive, tensile then compressive, and vice versa repeatedly. The corrected endurance stress limit of the bar is 315 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, 315 Newton per millimeter square is the SE value. SE value uh, against the 10 power 3 cycle. Okay, endurance limit means SE limit. Calculate the fatigue strength of the bar for life of 90,000 cycle. Means you are going to find out the fatigue strength of a bar for life of 90,000 cycle. The examiner, as we already discussed, that the examiner will always deal between the AB line. We had seen in the last lecture, that is what is AB line means, and AB line is the failure line. So the examiner always asks a question from 10 power 3 cycle to 10 power 6 cycle only, because A is the starting point, that is for 10 power 3 cycle. B is the ending point, that is for the 10 power 6 cycle, and 90,000 cycle is obvious between 10 power 3 to 10 power 6 cycle. Okay, got it? Now, as we already discussed with you, as you stop reading the question, first things you are going to write on your question paper, sorry, answer sheet is given. So write it out, given. Okay, I am telling you for writing this for number of times, because if you have a habit of writing it, you may not going to read the question always and always. for the values. Okay, you are not going to do it. Now start the question. Given that is SUT is equal to 630 Newton per millimeter square. SE, that is corrected endurance limit. In some of the question you may get SE dash value, SE dash value. Okay, so for that you have to find out SE value, that is Ka into Kb into Kc into Kd if the information about fatigue stress concentration factor or stress concentration factor is given in the question. Okay, and if not given, forget for Kd, and if given for Ka, Kb, Kc, that is the question, you may use Ka, Kb, Kc value, and if not given, leave it, that is Se is equal to Se dash, will be Se is equal to Se dash. Okay, now SUT is equal to 630 Newton per millimeter square from the given. SE is equal to 315 Newton per millimeter square and N is equal to 90,000 cycle. So recall the step that we had discussed. You may see this here, that is first quadrant will be 3 comma, that is 3 comma log 10 0.9 SUT, means first you are going to multiply SUT, that is 630 with 0.9, that is 567 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, take the log of 0.9 SUT, you may get the value 2.7536. the log will be for base 10 value, base 10, not base E. Okay, then this value will be corresponding to 10 power 3 cycle, and log of 10 power 3 cycle means a simple integer 3. Okay, you already know, and we had discussed in the last lecture also. Now log 10 Se, the second step will be Se is given 315 Newton per millimeter square. So log 10 315 is equal to 2.4985 will be log 10 Se value, and it is corresponding to the 10 power 6 cycle. Okay, 10 power 6 cycle automatically. In the further we had taken log 10 90,000, that is 4.9542, log 10 10 power 3, that is 3, log 10 10 power 6, that is 6. Okay, using this you have to draw a triangle. I want you to draw a triangle